Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest and greatest products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of hair care, specifically targeting those gorgeous 2C curls. If you've been searching high and low for the perfect product to define and moisturize your curls, look no further because we've got the ultimate solution for you. Introducing the Matrix A Curl Leave-In Conditioning Cream. This little gem is making waves in the hair care world, and for all the right reasons. With its unique formulation infused with manuka honey, this leave-in cream is designed to moisturize and define your curls without any flaking or crunchiness. Let's break down what makes this product truly stand out. Firstly, it's heat styling friendly, providing protection up to a whopping 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So, whether you like to rock your natural curls or switch it up with some heat styling, this cream has got you covered. But don't just take our word for it. Customers are raving about the Matrix A Curl Leave-In Conditioning Cream. Mark Davila from the United States says, "My hair is very curly, and this cream helps to detangle and keep curls defined." And Bella Linda adds, "It smells great and works wonders for my short curly hair." Now, let's talk about how to incorporate this miracle cream into your hair care routine. Simply apply the desired amount of product to wet hair from root to tip, scrunch your curls, and follow up with a light hold gel for maximum definition. You might be wondering, how does the Matrix A Curl Leave-In Conditioning Cream stack up against other products in the market? Well, let's take a quick look at some alternatives. While products like Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie and Marc Anthony Strictly Curls have their own loyal fan base, what sets the Matrix A Curl Cream apart is its unique formulation and performance, making it the best choice for those gorgeous 2C curls. And there you have it, folks. If you're ready to say goodbye to frizz and hello to beautifully defined curls, be sure to check out the Matrix A Curl Leave-In Conditioning Cream. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Until next time, stay fabulous. This video is brought to you by Product Critique. Subscribe now for more honest reviews and helpful tips on all your favorite products.